folks. Yeah, I put it off long enough. Got to get out here and get the mulcher out, do some mulching. Got me some, I got some moringa cuttings. When I got my moringa the other day. So yesterday I got out, went to chopping down some little trees and stuff, clean up. Want to run through the mulcher, start making me some mulch. I got to get my wagon set back up. Now I got my little rig set up out here. So had to put it in the wagon. Let's run some through it, see what it's gonna look like. See if it's gonna run. Now I got my first pile up. Let's see what it looks like. Well, that almost turned into a wagon load. I'll go ahead and empty that and start on the rest of it. cut my mulch in the guavas. Got a pretty good little layer. I might come back later on, let that settle out. And, that should help some with the cold weather. I just hope it don't get too hot. So, I still got a half a wagon. Yeah, let's go see where I can put it. To get some mulch around two of the avocados. I'll keep doing that for next week or two until I get everything filled up, mulch around, or I run out of stuff to mulch. Well, that's enough mulching for today. I need to water my cabbage. Try to get some water on this stuff now. Well, I thought I was finished. I needed to trim up these other trees, so I went ahead and cut me some more down. Clean this corner up a little bit. So go ahead and get me another little wagon full. At least I'm done with this corner. Get it cleaned up. Then I maybe can get out and water stuff. Got all them cleaned up. Wound up with about a half a load packed in there. So I'm gonna finish putting around these couple avocados. Get to doing some water and call it a day. Get some water done. Tomorrow when I come out, took the little pots right here and I put a few seed in them. Cabbage seed. I think some bok choy, I think it was. Just see if it'll grow. I put some out here in the garden too. A couple places. Just to see if, see what happens. A little guava. Plant a few of those seeds right here in this dirt. I'll try to put a picture of what this looked like last year when I left it. What all these beds look like when I done them last year. I've had cover crops on them up till this spring. Yeah, I never did anything with them. Yeah, cabbage still looking pretty good.